Hi, my name is Alex with VidSwap.com. Everything we do at VidSwap.com is to revolutionize the way coaches use video. We believe in giving coaches back their time so they can be more productive. We do this by providing something simple, easy to use, with blazing fast service. We just happen to make really great video software designed for baseball and softball across any device. And we break down the video for you. Your time has come, coaches. We code, you coach. So to put it simply, you're going to upload your game video, and then we're going to break that down for all baseball, softball situations in a 6 to 12 hour window. So think of us as your video assistant. We literally save you hundreds of hours per season so you can get back to coaching. Let's take a quick look inside VidSwap.com. So on our dashboard, we have a handful of apps. Videos is where you'll upload and manage all of your game video, any practice video, training videos that you might want edited and shared with your team. If you're part of a whole conference or league that uses us, we can also provide exchange schedules that manage that whole process and give you access to all games throughout an entire league. So when you're watching a game, you've got your videos window, you've got your playback controls, you can slow the video down, you can switch between angles. We do support multiple angles if you're going to film behind the pitcher, from a baseline, or maybe behind home plate. We've got a full screen toggle here. And then the bottom represents all of the pitches. So every row represents each pitch. And then these columns represent all the data that's being tagged. So on baseball and softball, we tag everything from the inning, how many players are on base, which team is at bat, the pitcher, the batter, the pitch location, and we chart that on a graphical chart, the count, the number of outs, and what the base runner position is. Right? Is it empty, on runner on first and second, first and third, and then the result of the pitch here, and then the hit type, and then if there was any RBIs and any other stat that needed to be recorded. So now in this column here, in these columns, I can click on the headers and say I just want to see every time maybe Minnesota was at bat here, or maybe I want to look at a particular player. We can take every time Matt was at bat here, and then I can watch all of his pitches, and we'll go through and watch each one of these here. So you can drill down into anything as specific as by player, by pitch count, by pitcher, whatever you want to start to look at there, across not just one game, but across multiple games as well. Now on the video here, we can pause it and we can use our telestrator. We've got telestration tools for freehand drawing. We've got circles and squares here. We've got arrows. We've got text. So all sorts of different types of things that you might want to add on the video here, and then we can save that. So every time we watch it or the players watch it, it's going to pause on those markers and show those notes. I've also got the ability to customize my grid view. If there's certain columns I don't want to see, I can customize that. Or maybe there's some extra information I want to tag. Maybe some additional types of pitches, or some other result that I might want to do that maybe is custom to what you might want to get out of it, that's on top of the data that we're doing for you. Now on these plays, you can check clips that you like, and then we can create highlights and reviews. Highlights and reviews is where you can manage and edit videos that maybe you want to use for a film session, maybe it's a team highlight, maybe it's a player highlight, or maybe you want to send an assignment out to a particular player or your pitchers or your hitters on something for the week. And on this, again, you can pause it and you can add drawings, telestrations here, as well as have conversations throughout the week here with your players. And on reviews, you've also got tracking information to know that your players have been looking at these, so you know what they may or may not be learning on every assignment that you send out to them. On each game, we do create a set of statistics for all the box score, the hitting, scoring, all the pitching statistics, as well as player stats for hitting and pitching. And we also have graphical charts for pitch locations. So you can pull up filters by team, player, pitch count, and see the distribution of where these pitchers are going, the regions. So you can see success regions here. You can see the actual XY position of where they are, they're color coded, as well as heat mapping. Your roster is where you can put your players and your coaches in so that they can log in from any computer, iPad, iPhone, Android device. Our VidSwap mobile app is available on iOS and Android, and the best thing about our app is that it gives you the ability to download the video and the edits into the app to use when you're not connected to the internet. So when you're on an airplane, you're on a bus, you're somewhere where you just don't have that, you can go into the app, you can pull up filters still, so we can pull up every time maybe let's see here, every time maybe Matt was at bat here, and then we can watch all these. And I can pause it, I can slow it down, I can draw and screw with my finger. We can go back, pull up a different filter, and I can use this when I'm sitting on the bus on the airplane, or maybe I want to do a film session in front of my players. I can plug this into a big screen TV or a projector and do that. We also have a VidSwap Live mobile app for iPad paired with our hardware kit that lets you use video during the game, in the dugout and in the bullpen. So depending upon what your rules are and what's allowed and not allowed, you'll be able to use video in a whole bunch of new ways that you've never done before. So you can use that video live during games in those places that you need to be able to use video, look at situations, make adjustments as you go through the game. So in conclusion, everything we do at VidSwap.com is to revolutionize the way coaches use video. We believe in giving coaches back their time so that they can be more productive. And we do this by providing something simple, easy to use, with blazing fast service. And we just happen to make really great video software designed for baseball and softball across any device. And we break the video down for you. So your time has come, coaches. We code, you coach. Go to VidSwap.com today and sign up for your free trial.